Okay, I'm about to start my quarantine for 14 days. This is a really bizarre place. Room 607. This is my room. Okay. Right. Okay. So, food here. Yeah, food. Well, this isn't so bad. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Hope you're all doing well. As you've probably seen, I've now arrived in Taiwan and I'm in quarantine now for 14 days. This is my first day. Got myself unpacked, got myself ready. Now psychologically trying to get myself fit. This is going to be tough. I've never spent 14 days in a hotel where I can't get out. Can't leave the room. I don't get room service. I get 3 meals per day brought to my room. Everything is disposable, so I don't have cups, I won't have plates. Everything has to be thrown away and destroyed, all down to health regulations. So I can call Uber Eats. So if I want to have Starbucks or if I want to have any other food, whatever, I can get that, and I think I'm going to be doing that. So this is a side of the drone industry that you never see. You know, this is all part of how we work, and unfortunately we have to be in this situation where we have to be in quarantine. So the reality of working with drones is not just flying drones, but being stuck in a hotel room for 14 days before you can do any work. So my team are here. They're in different floors of this hotel as well. So they're going through the same thing. So it will be really interesting to see the mental state of each other when we get out in 14 days, because we need to start work immediately. We need to go down to the south part of the island, which takes about 3 or 4 hours by train. But I'll try to document as much as I can, keep my sanity. I can finally get some time and watch some Netflix or some Disney Plus. If you've got any suggestions for me to watch, please add in the comments below. That would be great. I don't know what to watch. I'm trying to figure out some things to watch. Maybe watch some old movies as well. Yeah, thanks everyone. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. This is going to get interesting. This is going to get really interesting. Who knows what's going to happen in 14 days? I don't know. I'll finish this terrible coffee. It's got sugar in it as well, and I can't help it because there's nothing else I can do. So it's just a pack of coffee with milk and sugar in it. I need to get some Starbucks. Anyway, guys, thank you everyone, and stay healthy.
And we are live. Sunday Night with Those Guys, and Sunday Night with Those Guys is sponsored by
Those Guys. I didn't hit my crowd. I missed the button. Hold on.